Hello, Namaste, good evening. Today I am going to do another unboxing video. So the video is about the best karaoke speaker. The name of the company is Mediacom. Okay. The features I want to show you: BT Connect means you can connect the Wi-Fi as well. USB port is here, and FM radio, rechargeable. Okay, so if you recharge one time, you can use it 6 to 7 hours. The high quality microphone. Okay, and the bulb light means that you can use it in the party, like that it will flash the light on the top of, I think as per the picture it is on the top of the sound box. It will flash, it will blink the light with a different color. Okay, so portable speaker system features karaoke, rechargeable battery. Okay, as I mentioned already, here everything is here. And all right, just today I bought it today. How does it look like? Just let me check it. I don't know, for the first time I bought it. साथीहरु नमस्ते है, म चाहिँ यो मेरो यो च्यानलको गोर्खाली इन्फो युट्युब च्यानलमा यहाँ डीएसएलआर क्यामेराबाट सुटिङ हुँदैछ। यो चाहिँ युट्युबको लागि विशेष म रेकर्ड गर्दैछु। यो अनबक्सिङ भिडियोको लागि धेरै साथीहरुले चाहिँ नि रिक्वेस्ट गर्नुभएको थियो यो मिडियाकम कस्तो हुन्छ एकचोटी अनबक्स गर्नु भनेर। त्यसैले यो स्पेशली यो इन्डियन साथीहरुले या अनि फिलिपिन्सको साथीहरुले पनि मलाई रिक्वेस्ट गरेको थिए, त्यही कारण इंग्लिश बोलेको हो। म इंग्लिश बोल्न जान्दिनँ, तापनि यसो कोसिस हो, माफ गर्नु होला है त। Alright friends, okay, just I'm going to try to open it. केले खोल्नु? यो चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो एउटा कराओके भनौं न, गीत गाउनुको लागि या कहीं साउन्ड बक्स किन्नुको लागि तपाई चाहिँ नि अब खोज्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने यो चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो साउन्ड बक्स भनेको छ। मैले युज गरेको छैन, तर सबै चीज सुविधा भएको, सस्तो पनि अनि एकदमै सानो पनि, हलुङ्गो भनेको छ। अब त्यही कारणले मैले किनेको हो। सो alright, okay. So this is a user manual book, okay. And another thing is this is, I think, wireless and microphone, wireless microphone. I don't know how does it look. Okay. The next is, this is a remote control also. Okay, mediacom.com. Okay. I think this is the has cable. Okay, so this is the sound box. Okay, this is the mic actually. Okay, so wow, Mediacom, very cheap and best. See, if I want to show you the feature of this mic, see, so here's my DSLR camera, so I'm trying to focus on it. See here, first is the mic volume, second is the echo, bass, and treble, I don't know, and volume. And also I think you can input here the guitar also, the FM radio, USB port, and you can put the memory card also. Okay. Alright, so if I show you the front side of it looks like this. I don't know. Okay, just look it. Okay, it's very small. So let me taste the sound of this sound box.
Line in.
Battery charger, I need to put the batteries like एकदमै यो राम्रो साउन्ड बक्स भनेको छ है गुड क्वालिटीको Karaoke multifunctional अब Karaoke भन्छ हैन सस्तो पनि हो अतिमै सस्तो महँगो चाहिँ मैले किन नकिनेको भन्दाखेरि यो अब नेपाल जाँदाखेरि गरमको चीजहरु लानु हुँदैन त्यही कारणले गतिके म एकदमै लाइट सानो स्मल पोर्टेबल मैले किनेको हो कसरी युज हुन्छ मलाई थाहा छैन ओके so you can see the light this now it's the light okay
Line in.
Hello. Wow. Hello. 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 I think the sound is quite brilliant. Okay. This. Hello. 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 See, I have. Why did I buy this mic? You know, I have already here portable mic. This is also the similar price. Okay, this is on offer. Actually, the price is 300 dirham, and this is the same 300 dirham. Sometimes I am using it already. I think you have seen it in Facebook, somewhere in my YouTube. Same that this and this is similar price. The difference of these two things is the sounds is quite high. The count is very big. That's the reason I bought it. Okay, and all right. I will play the guitar. I think this is quite high, okay. All right, friends.